All right, so it's another work that is we are done with it. So I'm going over of the various things or the various things that we've fixed into the wall. Okay, so there's a garage. There's a garage. So there's like a big door here. So there's a switch if you want to use a normal switch. That's a switch there. And in case if there's going to be a gate automation for this very garage, then that's a power or socket outlet there for that purpose. Then we go over this socket outlets, the 220 socket outlets, another one there, that's two in the garage. This will be for the TV coaxials. And then up there, that's a red box there will be for the 110-volt system setup. Okay. Then this will be this big metal box in the wall will be for the 220-volt system distribution board or consumer unit, and a smaller one beside it will be for the 110-volt distribution board or consumer unit. So those are the pipe works there, the PVC pipe layout there for this installation. Okay, so we'll move on. Okay, so there's a door to the house. So there's another switch here. That's a switch there, then another switch. So with this both doors, when the person is entering or going out, the person will be able to have access. That will be able to turn on or off a light there. Okay, there's a visitor's toilet, and there's the switch to that area, and then that's a mirror light or power point there. I'll move on to this a guest bedroom or a bedroom. So this switch, a light switch, AC switch. Then there's the TV side. So we have the 220-volt socket outlet and also 110-volt receptacle there, and the TV outlet there. And then there's the bedside. So the bedside, we have two bedside socket for bedside lamp or table lamp or light. Then we have a switch and a socket at the bedside. So when you are relaxing on your bed, you don't need to get up to come to the entrance area to turn on a light. Okay, so this to the washroom, there's a light switch, then there's a water heater switch, then that's the there's shaver units in the washroom. Then this will be a mirror light right here, and then in the washroom there's the water heater or the water system or PVC layout. So it's warm, it's hot and cold water. So that will be the power point for the water heater there. All right, so this hallway, and there's this 220-volt socket outlet here. And then so that's a switch there when you are on the hallway, and there is another one here. So when you are coming from that end, you'll be able to turn on and off this hallway lights, and also when you are going this way or coming through this way, you'll be able to turn on and off a lights in the hallway. There's the kitchen. In the kitchen, there's a door there, so there's a light switch there that when you are entering through that door, you'll be able to have access to light, and also when you want to turn off the lights there, you'll be able to do that as well. Then there's a air conditioner switch there as well. Then that's a 220-volt socket outlet, that's a countertop socket outlet. Then this okay, I'll leave this one out. Okay, so there's a sink area. Then we have another countertop socket outlet. That's 220 and 110 volts right there. And then this side is that's the cooker unit there. So that will be the cooker unit power point. Then that will be a ventilation fan power point there, or what we call cooker hood or range hood there. The same kitchen, we have this another countertop socket here, 220 volts. Then another countertop socket outlet there, 220 volts, and its counterpart, that's 110 volts receptacle. And to this right side, that's the refrigerator power point or socket outlet. That's in both 220 volts and 110 volts. Then to the small kitchen area, there's a switch. There's a switch to this particular kitchen. Then ceiling fan and water heater switch as well. And these are socket outlets here. That's 220 volts. Another 220 volts there, another 220 volts there. Then there's a countertop socket here, that's 220, then 110 volts receptacle. Then another set is here, that's 220 volts and 110 volts receptacle. Then that's the power point for the water heater system for this side. Okay, so there's another switch and a ceiling fan regulator for the kitchen, and that's the power point for the air conditioner in the kitchen. And now to the living room. No, there's the dining area. Okay, so these are some sort of switches. There's a light switch, ceiling fan, another ceiling fan, and this is an AC switch. AC switch. Then there's a socket here. There's another socket here. Another socket here. Another socket here. Then another one here. These are all 110. Oh no, 220 volts socket outlets. And then to the TV area or TV side. So this will be the 110 volts receptacle and the 220 volts socket outlet. Then this one will take care of HDMI cables and TV kosher, so your TV wires and other stuff wouldn't be exposed on the wall. And then this to the sitting area, there's going to be some sort of floor socket, so it's going to be in the floor or on the floor, two of them. And then there's 220 volts socket outlet here. To the switch area of the living room, so there's a light switch, there's a ceiling fan, another ceiling fan, and air conditioner switch right here. I'm now going to, there's a hallway that connects the living room, the master bedroom, and the other two bedrooms there. So there's the ironing area. So we have a 110 volt, no, 220 volt socket outlet and 110 volts receptacle there. Let me go through the master bedroom here. So there's a light switch here. So when you are coming from the master bedroom or when you are coming onto this hallway, you'll be able to control it with this particular light switch here. Okay, let me go here. There's a light switch for the master bedroom. Then there's a AC switch. Here is a 220 volts socket outlet, and this is the bedside. So two 220 volts socket outlets. That's for table lamps or bedside lights as well here. Then a light switch and a fan regulator there. Another socket outlet here, 220 volt socket outlet here. Then there's the TV area. So 220 volt, two sets of 220 volt socket outlet, and then 110 volts receptacles, two of them as well. Then this is for the HDMI cable and TV coaxials or TV cables as well. So your TV cables wouldn't be exposed on the wall. And then this to the closet, so there's a light switch here, and we've even made provision in case there's going to be a ceiling fan there. The same thing here, so there are two closets. Yeah. And these are shaver units. There are two sets of sinks here or hand wash basin here, and there's going to be this some sort of a big mirror here, so that will be a power point or mirror light power point there. Then these two shaver units right there, and then there's a light switch to this side. And there's another set of light switch and also a ceiling fan. There's the laundry. So the laundry, we've done two sets of socket. That's one here for probably for two washers or washing machines. Okay, so that's one there and another one there. Okay, so still there's a hallway. That's the hallway connecting to the living room and the master bedroom, and there's a switch here. So when you are coming from this side as well, you don't need to walk from this side up to that side to turn on light. So when you are coming from these two bedrooms here, let's say bedroom 1 and 2, you'll be able to have access to light on the hallway. This is what I call bedroom 1. So the bedroom 1, when you are entering, this light switch, then AC switch, then there's a TV side. So we have this 220 volt socket outlet and also 110 volt socket outlet there and TV outlet there. And then that's the AC power point there. And this is the bedside, so the same thing. Two sockets for table lamps or bedside lamps, and then that's the switch and the fan regulator there. Then there's the switch and the water heater switch to this washroom, and there's a shaver unit. This is there's a mirror light or a power point for a mirror light, and that's a water heater system, and that's the power point for that water heater there. Okay, so this when you are entering from the that's the main door here. There's a porch area, and that's 220 volt socket there. Another one here. Then there are two wall lights here. Two wall light here. That's the 5 PVC pipes in the box there. Two wall light here. Two wall lights here. Okay, so let's enter through here. So when you enter, you will have access to light. There's a light switch for you to be able to turn on and off a light here. So let's go to this let's say mini living area or lounge or something. Okay, there's a socket here. No, first, there's a light switch. You'll be able to turn on and off a light here, then ceiling fan, then an air conditioner switch. Then that's a socket outlet 220, another 220, and another 220 socket outlets there. And then let's enter the steady area. So the steady area, there's a light switch, there's a light switch, there's a fan regulator, then AC switch right there. Then that's a 220-volt socket outlet. Another one there. Then that's the last one there. Then the AC power point there. And in the mini living room or lounge, that's the AC power point right there, right there. And in the living room, it's escaped me. So there's the AC power point one. Then there's another AC power point in the dining area. Then that's the porch, the porch around the kitchen and the dining area. That's a socket outlet there, another one there. Okay, so this is for the outdoor lights or external lights. Okay, so there's one here, there's one here, that's light number 2 here, light number 3. So there are 3 at this long side. Another one here. Another one here. There's another one light here. Another one here. Another one here. We have 3 sets of outdoor lights here as well. One here. Second one here. And the third one here. And finally, this is the meter board area. So the meter is coming here, and these are pipes to this particular box there. So this particular box there are several stuff coming here. Okay, so this PVC pipe, this 1.5-inch PVC pipe is for underground cable or armored cable. Then these pipes are for, there are actually genset, there are some for genset 4 for genset, earthing system, gate automation to the main gate there, and also that lights for the fence wall lights. So these are for future stuff for future use, and we've made all those provision there as well. Finally, it escaped me to mention that this will be the where the changeover, unload changeover will be fixed. So this consists of this ECG genset, and also there's going to be provision for solar system right there. And there's a work overview of work we've done at Amanfo on the Dodoa Adenta Road, Accra.